Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in the previous video I told you I was going to be the face of science. Nay, I am the face of science. I am the ambassador, the representative. If you want to go ahead and learn about science, you have to pass it through me. If you want to go ahead and make a theory, you got to pass it through me, the science face of science. Now, before starting any experiments, before going overboard with all these chemicals and stuff, you have to be properly attired. I have just a thing for that. Give me a second. Now, some say this is a forbidden technique, a forbidden jutsu, but I tell you, if you want to make an experiment, if you want to have the science master just come inside you and just control you, you have to do this. Let's start, because I'm forgetting how to do it already. This is a forbidden technique. That's why it's so hard to do. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, yes. Wow. As you can see, I am in my attire. Let's get started, shall we? I think we should start off with my predecessor. Who has turned into a rival now. Bill Nye, the science nerd. The science dork. Shout out Bill Nye. I have also Creepy Crawlies. This guy kind of looks like Rick from Rick and Morty. We're going to make some Creepy Crawlies out of this thing. All right. Let's start. Wow. See, this is why you have to be fully prepared and have the equipment and the attire, because you don't want to, mess up and suddenly something catches on fire. Bars. Come on, Bill. Open that box up. Okay. Contents, VR, health. Wow, has a whole lot of stuff over here. Let's see. Which one should we do? Which one should we start on? Solid, liquid, or both? That sounds interesting. Okay, let's go to page 6. Page 16. Solid, liquid, or both? Oh, wow. Ooh, and they have the whole atomic. What's it called? The whole table of the thing. Okay, solid, liquid, or both. Okay, looks like we're gonna make some slime here. All right. Let's see. It looks like we have to get a bowl. Wait, there's a caution here. There's caution. Caution. Take heed. Take heed when you do experiments like this. Caution. Experiments like this often get messy, so prepare your workstation by laying down some paper towels. Good. I like those. Bill Nye, the science guy. All right. Let's clear out our table. We don't want to get anything in the way of our makings. Let's lay down our paper towels. Nice. Step 1. We have to get a bowl. Empty the packet of cornstarch into the bowl. To repeat this experiment later, use your beaker to measure. We're going to use everything. Okay, that's actually a lot. This is a big bag. Wow. This is a huge bag. Okay. Let's just get right into it. You know what I mean? Let's get right into it. I need a scissor for this one. Guys, always have scissors. You don't want to... listen. There's a lot of people who walk around pointing their scissors upward, looking to stab someone, fixing to stab someone. You don't want to do that. What I was taught, you wanna, and listen, this is the face of science talking to you about this, so obviously I'm correct. So you wanna just keep the scissors down here. You know what I mean? Just keep it guarded. You don't wanna, it's not a fencing. It's not a fencing rapier, okay? So stop playing with it. It's not a toy. Don't play with it. It's not a toy. Let's put half of the cornstarch up in there. Yo, what am I going to do with all these ingredients, though? Okay. Half of the cornstarch bag up in the bowl. Put that down. Step 2. Slowly add water to the bowl. Boom. I bet you didn't see that. 1 cup. 1 cup of water? What does this say? 125. Okay? 125. Nice one. That's a little bit over, but it's okay. It's a little bit over. but it's okay. It's a little bit over, but let's pour that thing up in there slowly. Hold on, I think you need to hear this. You can't really hear it, but I'm slowly adding it to the water. Slow, slow, slow and controlled. Step 3. Add a few drops of liquid coloring, then use your hands to mix it all together. Nice. Let's do red and blue. Guys, what does that make? Hollow purple.
ごめん、編まない。
Okay. Let's add little drops up in there. Okay, let's see. Let's get a little close up for you guys. You know, this is actually fun. Science experiments at home, huh? Is it supposed to look like this? All liquidy and stuff? I don't think it's supposed to be all liquidy. It's okay, we're fine. Miscalculations always happen in science. Let's add 1. You can't really see. 2. Oh, 3. 4. 5. Wow! That's a lot. It's a little red now. It's a little red now. I don't want to spill it. I don't want to. Hey! Relax. 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 Okay. Okay. Come here. Come here. Boom. 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 Okay. We're good. Okay. We're good. Guys, what does red and blue make? They make purple. So they said to use our hands, right? I think it's okay to get your hands dirty in situations like these. Normally, you would have gloves, but the face of... Ooh, wow. Ooh, it feels so weird. Okay, then use your hands to mix it all together. It's kind of rough. It's not really... Do I need to add more cornstarch? Let's add a little bit more cornstarch. Let's see. Guys, calculations always happen like this in science. It's okay. Add a little bit in there. How much are we supposed to use? Empty the packet. Oh, empty the packet. Wow. Empty the packet. We're not really following all the steps here, but it's okay. It's not really... It's just more liquid right now. Hold on. Guys, it's all liquid still. Like, it's still liquid. I think I did the wrong thing. Like, see, it looks like syrup. I mean syrup. It looks like the cake batter. Like pancake batter. Sorry to anyone who's eating. Why is it not working, man? Yo, I think I did it wrong, bro. Oh my gosh. Did I do it wrong? I think I did it wrong. It's supposed to be gooey-like. It's not gooey, it's more liquid. Bro, are you serious right now? Ah! Oh. It's over, guys. I did it wrong. Oh my gosh. Bro, oh my gosh, bro. There's no way. Face of science, my butt. My goodness gracious. Talking about the face of science. Wow. You freaking fraud. You're a fraud. The face of science is a fraud. I can't believe it. Guys, obviously miscalculations always, if not always, happen in science experiments. I mean, come on. There's always failed experiments out there in the world. Like, we would have no superhero movies if the villain were not created by scientists. Ooh, atomic fizz. This looks super cool. All right, here we go. Let's do this page first. Let's do the glow stick, and then we'll do this one first. Okay, materials. We're going to need test tube with cap. I see those. Zinc sulfide powder. Shallow dish. Shallow dish. Spoon, water. Timing 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Cool. Wow, this actually feels like I'm actually doing experiments, bro. Wow. I feel so cool. Step 1. Using your small spoon, spread out a scoop of zinc sulfide powder in a shallow dish. In a shallow dish. This is a shallow dish. This funnel is a shallow dish. Okay, put that on top. And set it by a window or under a light for at least 5 minutes. While you wait, fill one of your test tubes with 30 milliliters of water. A shallow dish. I guess we'll just use this thing. This little small thing right here. 1 scoop of zinc sulfide powder into that little small thing. Spread out a scoop. Bang. Put that zinc up in there. Let's set it somewhere else. Okay, let's set it under a light. I'm gonna put it under a chandelier light. Let's wait for 5 minutes. Okay. Now it says fill. While I wait for 5 minutes, fill one of the test tubes, which is this, with 30 milliliters of water. 30 milliliters. Okay. 30 milliliters coming up. Is that a lot? That's a lot. Okay, while we wait for 5 minutes, I think we should do atomic fizz. Step 1, pour 15 milliliters of water into 1 test tube. Just eyeball it, guys, eyeball it. 15 milliliters, 15 milliliters. Actually, that looks like a lot. I'm going off this picture here. Nice. I like the way that's looking. Okay, cool. So, I just filled up 2 of the tubes with water when I'm supposed to put 1 tube with water and 1 tube with vinegar. Freaking science of freaking... I got the vinegar right here. I got the tube right here. Let's be gentle with it. Now that, if that doesn't look like 15 milliliters, I don't know what is. Now we have our big summer blowout. Okay, vinegar, water. Step 2, add a few drops of red liquid coloring to the vinegar and a few drops of blue coloring to the water. Stir to combine. Okay, let's add vinegar, right hand, to the left, what? Let's add red food coloring. Yes, that's the word. Let's add red food coloring to the right hand vinegar. Let's add a few drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, blue food coloring, left side, water. 1, 2, 3. Cool. Now we have to stir it up. Stir it up. Whoa, look at this. Stir it up. Wow. Look at this one. It looks cool. Like a lava lamp or something. Stir it up. Stir it up. Stir it up. Wow, look at this one. Isn't that amazing? Isn't science so cool? Step 3. Use a small spoon to add a spoonful of baking soda. Where's baking soda? Baking soda. Baking soda. I got baking soda. Okay, wait. Hold on. I might drop it. I might spill. Let's be cool. I should get some tissue over here. It might get a little messy. Okay. Ooh, my heart is racing. This is so fun. Alright. I put the baking soda in the water. Now place your 3rd test tube. I don't have a third test tube. Gosh darn it! Oh my gosh! Okay, let's rewind back to the freaking glow stick. Step 2. Add the charged zinc sulfide to the test tube. Stir about 30 seconds. Put the cap on the test tube and take it to a dark room. If the zinc sulfide separates and collects on the bottom of the test tube, just shake it up. Okay, zinc sulfide. Zinc sulfide into the test tube. Boom. Oh, it looks charged actually because it looks more green. And now we take it to a dark room. Okay, we're going into a dark room. What's the darkest? Okay, let's go to the restroom. Wow, now it's really super dark. Now it's really dark. Now it's really dark. Hey, how you doing, huh? Maybe the light is not working. What did I do wrong? It's not glowing in the dark. Maybe I need to shake it up a little more. Just shake that thing up. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you can't see me, but look, I just had to turn off the flash. It's glowing in the dark. Wow, it's glowing in the dark! Ah! Whoa! Science rocks. Yeah, science. Look, it's in the mirror too. Wow. Yo, we actually did this together. Come on now. Wow. It feels like there's an entity inside it. Like, look at that. Like, there's like something in there. Dude, the hallucinogenia from Attack on Titan. Does it not look like that? Whoa. Wow. Yo, that's cool. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why science is my major. The face of... Okay, now we're going back to the atomic fizz. Step 4. Place your third test tube in the middle of the test tube rack. Combine the red and blue liquids by pouring them into the third test tube at the same time. Okay. Is everyone ready? Let's get some eye protection. Because safety is number 1 priority. Let's go. Are we ready? Left hand water, right hand vinegar. Same time, ladies and gentlemen, same time. Are you ready? 3, 2, wait. Steps is all complete. 3, 2, 1, okay. That's a bit anticlimactic. Well, let's do it again. Same time. Whoa! Whoa! Hey! Nice! Well, if that isn't cool, I don't know what is. Come on now. It's creepy crawly time. That was easy to open. Ooh, it's a lot of stuff over here. Creepy crawlies. Do you guys like creepy crawlies? I know there's some of y'all in here that used to pick them up as kids, bro. Oh my gosh. Ooh, we have a diploma. Oh my gosh. Weird Science University. The trustees of this institution, upon recommendation of the faculty, have conferred upon the face of science, bachelor, ambassador, representative, the subject of chemistry, with all rights and privileges pertaining thereto. Signed by Dr. Abe Normal. Okay, we're going to be signing this later on. This is my little diploma. My gosh, I graduated from science school. Yes! Scissor, scissor. Scalpel, scalpel. I need the scalpel. What is this little device? What is this little device? Looks interesting. What you'll need, 5 plastic plates. Okay, we have everything here. We need mixing stick, water, dunking tank station. We got everything. Nice. Okay, setup. Prepare the Crawley creation station. Attach the handle onto the Crawley creation station. The handle. Attach the handle. Attached. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that! Attach the handle. Attach the handle. Fill the Crawley creation station with room temperature water. Fill to the line. Fill to the line. Bump in the jump in the line. My body all the time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line. Make your body all the time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line. Press your body all the time. Okay, I believe. Add 1 packet of salt powder and stir with a mixing stick. Where's my mixing stick? Where's my mixing stick? Where art thou, mixing stick? Mixing stick, where art? They didn't even give me a mixing stick. What is this? What? Okay, you know what? We're just gonna do it. Scissor, scissor, scissor. Salt powder. 1 packet. Whoa, looks like little mothballs. Choose a mold and water jelly. Let's do this. A little hallucinogen and a scorpion. Select the water jelly color. We're going to do purple. Okay, create the Crawleys. Creating the Crawleys. Wait. Shake the bottle well. Shake, 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 senora. Make your body line. Work, 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 senora. Make it all the time. Oh my gosh, why is this jelly not... the hell? Let's put our little worm. Fill it up with the jelly. Fill it up with the jelly. There's just immense focus coming out of me right now. Immense focus. Okay, that is properly in and evenly filled, if I do say so myself. Let's do that, scorpion. Whoa, the blue looks cool. Okay, dunk the mold into the salt solution. Pull the lever down. Whoa, it didn't even go down with it. Scalpel, scalpel. Fully submerge it. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds. Fully submerging, fully submerging. So, fine weather we're having today, huh? It's sunny outside, it's kind of hot. The wind's blowing, so that's good. What do you like to do on the weekends? Alright, let's see if this thing is a jelly or not. Guys, you know the little hallucinogen? He kind of like... I don't know what happened to him. I don't know what happened to that guy. But we have a backup. Our scorpion. Getting right back in the mood. I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Oh my gosh. Let's check on little Scorpion. Bring him up slowly, 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 slowly! Relax! It's not a race! Let's take him out of here! Oh no! We lost something over there. Just for a second, I need to place it down. I need to place it down just for a second. Let's see if he's come to a mold. Is he a mold? He's a little moldy. Oh. Nice. 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 Freaking science experiment, bro. Oh my gosh.
I'm going to get a Cheeto, a good long enough one. Now, this is a Cheeto, hot Cheeto, okay? That I got from the bag. Next time you have your kids eat this, show them this if they don't believe you. But basically, Cheetos are made with cardboard material, chemicalized inside this Cheeto from cardboard. And as well
Cardboard, huh?
Oil-based, there's the same thing that could be used.
The Cheetos.
Or it could be used.
Cheetos are made of cardboard?
Believe me, I just got that straight from the bag.
Straight from the bag.
Get a brand new bag.
Brand new bag.
Get a Cheetos, take them out of the bag, get a lighter, light them at this, and I suggest you do this by great supervision. As you can see this, I'm lighting a Cheeto, and as you can see, it lights like a torch. Just with the lighter. So next time when you're eating Cheetos and you're thinking to yourself, what am I eating? Really?
We're eating cardboard.
Is in the Cheeto. As you can see right here, it burns. This is what you're eating and you're putting in your stomach. So if you ever wonder sometimes why your kids or yourself get sick,
Dang.
or wonder why you get those stomach pains,
Dang.
and wonder with chemicals,
Really?
this is what happens. So next time, think about that
Wow.
when you eat a hot Cheeto. Remember that, Keelan, this man.
Alright, all you hot Cheeto girlies out there, this is your sign. Stop eating them. It's 7 in the morning. It's 7 in the morning. I don't have hot Cheetos, but I do have cheese. The original hot Cheetos. We'll see if this still works though. Alright, one hot Cheeto from the bag. Fresh out of the bag. Let's get a nice one. Ooh, that's looking nice. Okay, fresh hot Cheetos from the bag. Let's see if this works. Guys, apparently it's made out of cardboard. No freaking way! No freaking way! Oh my gosh, it's made out of cardboard! It's made out of cardboard! Signed and proven. Ladies and gentlemen, we have, I should probably make that bigger, but we have graduated from science. Hey, listen. That's the end of the video. That is the end of the video. I'm done. I'm finished.